Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Good and wrung out. Good and ready. Got a nice big large T there.
I'm gonna make this one for me.
Giant, okay.
So I haven't made one for me in a long time.
And next week we got a whole bunch we gotta make for our neighbors, so they're already planned out. Jump on the schedule, get in where you fit in, mama. That's what the cool kids say these days.
Oh, is that what they say? You would know.
That's what I've heard.
You would
I'm
definitely
not one of them, but I see them all the time hanging out in our back parking lot.
It's cool to be homeless now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool is a relative term. They're often hot during the day, but I'm sure at night it gets pretty cool. To the dyeing rack.
Okay.
Look at that.
I want some dragon fruits.
Dragon fruit.
And I want some
Deep orange?
yes.
Deep orange. Thermocel's working now, man. I should turn that thing on earlier. Believe it or not, that thing works even when it's windy. Lemon yellow. Good looking candy corn shaping up so far. What's she gonna go for next? Lime pop. A beautiful, beautiful lime pop. We love the lime pop. Looks like I need to make some more lime pop. Running low on the lime pop.
What blue do I want? Let's do dare I do a Glossier?
Ooh, glacier blue. Glacier.
Ooh.
A little grading going on. It's okay, it's okay.
We can go back and fix it.
There we go, like it never even happened. Red, like it never even happened.
And lastly,
and lavender. You gonna do the same thing on the reverse or nothing on the reverse?
I think I'm gonna do black on the back.
Black on the back. Cool. Look at that.
I did it again.
Nice slice of color. I know, man, that dragon fruit's just...
It's fighting to stay in there, boy.
No, it's tough out there for dragon fruit. Mix on that one all right?
Yeah.
Good, good,
All right, now we're gonna flip this sucker.
good. Flip it to the flop.
I'm gonna take my better black.
Better black. So, on this one we have yeah, let me get them all in order. Okay, so on this one we have dragon fruit, deep orange, lemon yellow, glacier blue, lime pop, lavender, and better black. Beautiful rainbow with better black. Spiral tie-dye tee. Took me a second, I had to think about it.
I'm gonna touch up these edges too
All right.
while we're here.
Get that nice web effect.
Right here.
Make sure that gradient's nice and polished.
Some of this line. Some of that leather.
Lemon yellow. Orange. Of course, good old lavender.
Lav. Yeah, beep you too. Can't wait so we don't have to deal with that anymore. None of these beep beeps, none of these vroom vrooms.
T-minus 60 days from good audio, people. To the drying rack.
Let's go. She's going on the top.
Top shelf for our premium tie-dye, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.